Percents, level 1. Basic concept is, what is 10% of something? Let's say that you have the number 80. I want to know, what is 10% of 80? Well, 10% really means cutting into 10 parts. Each part will be 10%. So if we cut 80 into 10 parts, each of the 10 parts will be 8. So 10% of 80 is 8. What about of 120? Well, we're going to divide 120, so 10% of 120 is going to be 120 divided into 10 parts. Each part will be 12, right? So each of the 10% would be 12. Now it gets a little harder if the number doesn't end. So what if instead we had 88? Well, a good way to think of this is if it were $88. So it's a little confusing, you haven't done this much, but again, split it up into 80 and 8. So our old friend 80, 10% of that is 8. Well, what about 8, as in $8? Well, if you think about it, $8, if you divide it up 10 times, would be 80 cents. 80 cents 10 times would be $8. So altogether it would be 8.8 or 8.80. That's how you divide it up. Well, what if we had, we needed 20% of 80? So we go back and we say, okay, well, each 10% is 8, but 20% is just 2 of these, so it's 8 plus 8, which equals 16. What if we needed 40% of 80? We could do the same thing. We could just say, well, 40% is 10% 4 times, so it would equal 32.